Hello everyone, this is With the Pack and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, please do like and subscribe, hit that notification bell button as well to stay updated on my future uploads. And for this video, once again, we will have a box battle. So big shout out to my good friend Rick of Grandfather Cards. So for this video, we're going to have a box battle, and this is not basketball. So we decided to have a NASCAR blaster box battle. So yeah, NASCAR, to be honest with you, just to give you an idea, not really into NASCAR. I mean, I find this is my second time opening a NASCAR box, and I find NASCAR cards very cool. So yeah, I asked Rick if we can have a NASCAR box battle, and Rick actually is opening tons of variety of sports on his channel. We need to make this guy famous because for time to time he's pulling bangers, hits, case hits, rare cards on his channel. One of my favorite pull he have is the LeBron mythical, I think mythical, ultra rare insert from Optic. So Panini Optic. And man, so we need to make this guy famous, like what I said. Please do check his channel, give him some love, subscribe, like his video. And yeah, in this battle, we actually don't know what other will use. So he don't know what NASCAR blaster I'm going to open, and I don't know what is going to open too. So this is going to be surprise. And yeah, without further ado, for this video I'm going to use the 2025 Panini Select NASCAR blaster box. So hopefully it's enough. And the rules is just simple. The best box overall will win. So the best cards, the best, yeah, basically that's it, the best box overall. So like what I said, I don't know much about NASCAR, but it's always yeah, it's always exciting to learn new things. And if ever I pulled something, please do let me know in the comment section. If you're into NASCAR, welcome. This video is definitely for you. So okay, let's open this up. Good luck to us, Rick, and hopefully we have a good time. Hopefully you're doing well. So yeah, I slice him up. Okay, so what makes me pick this box is actually this. At least I have a chance to pull an autograph or at least a memorabilia, either of that. 30 cards per box, so I think that's this is going to be 6 packs and 5 cards each. And here's the further chase. Yeah, you can pause at this part. Okay, so we have a chance of actually one of one from black finite, and lots of chances for gold to 10. And here's, I think, artistic selections. So this is the older rare insert from this box. And yeah, let's open this up. Okay, yeah, 6 packs. Okay, love it, love it. Wish me luck. So these are first pack. Oh man, my hands is always slippery. Okay, we need to slice it up. We need to slice it up. Select. Okay, chrome, base chrome card. Okay, Carson. I don't know how to say his surname. Please let me know. We got Corey Haim. Rookie, first rookie, we got Frankie Muniz. And we got, okay, this is the, like what I said, this is how I find NASCAR cards so cool, because of these cars. We got the car of Ernie Irvan. And okay, so this might be the exclusive parallel. Shockwave. We got Shane Van Gisbergen. numbers, number 88. But this is not a number card, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so let's put this there, and let's put this card. It's very cool. Okay, and the rookie card here. Okay, that's a good pack. Okay, got lucky on this trip. Josh Berry, Kez Schrader. Man, I'm butchering these names. Ryan Breeze. Okay, so we got the red, white, and blue hollow of Sheldon Creed. Okay, first number card. Okay, so I don't know if it. So this is the code. If you're going to win. Okay, we got a hit. So the red, white, and blue is actually this is a red, silver, and blue, or red, white, and blue. It's actually a numbered card. Sheldon Creed out of 249, 110 out of 249. That's a good start. Okay, third pack. Jesse Love. Oh, we got a caller there. Greg Beefle. Clint Boyer. Another rookie. Brent Cruz. And we got the orange shock. This might be a numbered again. Danny Hamlin. And it's not. Okay. Danny Hamlin. So let me know if I pulled, you know, one of the greats, one of the best in NASCAR. So we're halfway through. This is our fourth pack. This is going to be the best box overall. Let me know if I missed something. So we missed something. We got a rookie here. I can't read. Brent Cruz. Need to check. Just in case we miss a rookie card. Okay. That's it. So fourth pack. Okay, right away we got the rookie. Caden Honeycutt. Shane. Another rookie of Austin Beers. Nice photograph here. Nice. AJ Allmendinger. We got okay. Seems like an OG. We got an Ernie Irvan. Nice. Nice. Got rookie, couple of rookies. Last two packs. This one is a thick one, so let's save this one for last. Fifth pack. So safe to say we might have a memorabilia. Hopefully it's a one of one. Something. Jeff Gordon. I believe I know him as one of the best, right? Anthony Alfredo. Alan Kiwick. Raya Karut. Okay. Tony Bridinger. She is beautiful. Nice. Let's see if we got a rookie here. Okay, no rookie on our P pack, but we got a beautiful color, orange shack. And for our last pack magic. Okay, we got a thick card. It's so thick. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got a silver. We got Michael McDowell on a hollow. Kurt Butch. Okay. Todd. Got Rick, and I'm battling Rick. Okay, let's put this. Okay, I felt it. Give me a rookie. Okay, how was it? Okay, I don't know how. Oh, ooh. What is this? AJ Allmendinger. Wow. Ooh, what's this? Is this a piece of his car? Yeah, enclosed race worn used material, not numbered, but we got very cool. And this is a shock. Nice. Yeah, not numbered. Super thick. Let me know what you think of this. This is not a cloth. This is actually like a piece of plastic. It actually still has a dirt on it. I don't know if it's a helmet or from his shoes, gears. Not really sure, but if you have an idea, please let me know in the comment section. I think let's have a quick recap. Okay, here's our rookie. Let me know if I win this. This is the best box overall. Okay, here's our rookie. I will search for their name later on. So this is a base, Ernie Irvan's car. And here's our colors. We got this hollow of Michael McDowell, number 71, Workforce, very cool card. Okay, we got Tony Redinger on an orange shock. We got the hollow of Ernie Irvan, nice, wearing the Kodak. Yep, and we got Denny Hamlin on orange shock. And this kind of insert, right? Numbers select. I don't know how rare is this one, this insert by Shane Van of Shane Van Gisbergen. And the hits of the rip, hopefully it's enough. Okay, first we got the numbered card. Sheldon Creed, what a name. Sheldon Creed on red, white and blue. Hollow, 110 out of 249. And our memorabilia, we got AJ Allmendinger on this nice mem. Okay, so that's a fun one. Like what I said, NASCAR cards are very cool. If you find them cool too, let me know in the comment section, and let me know if I win this battle. Please do check Rick the Grandfather Cards YouTube too. I'll put the link of his video in the comment section, in the description. And yeah, let me know, or let us know who wins this battle. So it's a pleasure to battle you, Rick. Hopefully we can run this one again soon. And yeah, I'm a big fan of you. Keep doing what you're doing. You're one of the best. Yeah, very cool channel. And yeah, see you again. And please do support all of us, the both of us. And in my channel, I have a plan. Once we reach the 1,000 subs, I'm doing a blaster box giveaway. Whatever sports you want. If you want NASCAR, I can send you NASCAR blaster box. So as I'm recording this video, we are close to 800 subs. So hopefully before the 2026 ends, we finish with the 1,000 subs at least. And any support means a lot. Like, subscribe, tell a friend about this channel. If you're in the Philippines, yeah, supportan nyo mga kababayan. Maraming salamat. Thank you all, and stay safe, stay awesome. This is What the Pack, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.